Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cause Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. I'm happy you're here and I am happy I am here. We're working today on, God, what size is this? It's a 12 by 16, it's this big. It's this big. 18 by 16, I don't know, it's a reused canvas. It was a practice swipe for one of my students, and we kicked it up a notch and changed her color scheme a little bit. And it's been drying for about 2 weeks, so I figured, what the heck, let's go ahead and paint over it. It's already taped on the back, and it's got push pins, so it saves me a little bit of work. I'm practicing my swiping, because I'm a swiping kind of girl, and I'm going to Seattle and I'm going to be swiping, and I want to make sure I swipe as best as I can for y'all. So let's talk about our colors, because they are absolutely wonderful. Our base coat is a little bit of slop bucket paint, which was copper and oranges and a little bit of gold, I believe. And I added, it was only about that much in the bottom of the bucket, I added Modern Masters in the burnt orange. Love these paints. I love these paints. Amazon is where I get them, and I try to catch them when they're on sale. But our swiping pouring medium today is 1 part paint, half a part of Floetrol, half a part of Liquitex pouring medium, and about a half a part of GAC 800. I don't really measure. I put my paint in the cup, and then I squirt GAC, and I squirt Floetrol, and I squirt Liquitex. But it ends up being about that ratio when it's all said and done. And if you got a little more of this and a little less of that, it's okay, as long as your consistency is good and as long as your color holds strong. So that's the burnt orange right there. This is yummy. I don't have the bottle to show you because it was the last of that container. This is Modern Masters in the Sashay Red. Looks just like this, but it says Sashay Red on it. This is a wonderful paint, and slowly but surely becoming one of my favorites. I mean, look at that. That's absolutely delicious, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful shade of red. Right here is my Mac paint. That is Arteza, and that is their Bordeaux Red, which is a lovely, lovely slice of goodness right there. That might need a little bit more water. One of Kathleen's favorite paints, the Q word, the nickel azo gold in the golden fluids. Love it. Now, when I'm mixing my swipes colors, I mix up my fluid paint first, because generally it takes no water. So it's a squirt of the nickel azo gold, a squirt of Floetrol, a squirt of GAC 800, and a squirt of Liquitex. And generally on most fluid paints, I don't need to add any water. So I start with my fluid paint and I build my other colors off of this consistency. I hope that makes sense. This right here is yummy. This is one of my favorite TLPs. It's a color shift kind of paint, and it is called Brûlée. It has a copper hue to it, which I really love. I use them a lot in my landscape swiping. So let's take a look at that consistency. You might be able to see that a little bit better. It leaves just a little bit of a trace before the paint dissipates into the paint below. And this right here is Golden Fluids, and that is their Carbon Black. So we're gonna get busy. We're gonna put down a beautiful orangey goldy base coat, which we have right here. And we're gonna be doing some swiping. We're swiping with some damp paper towels. I just stack my paper towels. I squeeze a squirt bottle of water around the bottom edge, flip them over, do the same on the other side. Cut them to whatever size that makes me smile, and we're good to go. Thanks for being here again, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. All the things I would do just to get close to you. There's something about the way you move, and I try to follow you. And I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around. It's sunlight, we're in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. In sunlight, we're in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. And I'll make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. And I'll make it worth your while. could lie wide awake and leave my head We won't hide.